Hello friends, today we are going to start with the basics of HTML. Let's start. First of all, we need to know about the full form of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. बच्चे ये एक तरह की लैंग्वेज है जिसका नाम क्या है, हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. इट इज़ यूज टू क्रिएट वेब पेजेस, जो कि वेब पेज क्रिएट करने के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ हेयर वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय वेब पेज. Web page is basically a page which will open in your web browser. Now we need to know the difference between web browser and web page. Web browser is a software by using which we can access the internet. ठीक है, ये कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसके द्वारा आप कोई भी अपना इंटरनेट यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट कुड बी योर गूगल क्रोम, योर मोजिला फायरफॉक्स, योर ओपेरा मिनी, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, एनी टाइप ऑफ web browser software by using which you can access the internet. अब जो भी पेज ओपन होता है वेब ब्राउज़र के अंदर, दैट इज़ योर वेब पेज, राइट. सपोज यू डोंट हैव एनी वेब ब्राउज़र, सो यू आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सेस द इंटरनेट विदाउट अ वेब ब्राउज़र. कोई ना कोई वेब ब्राउज़र आपके फ़ोन में, आपके लैपटॉप में, आपके सिस्टम में होना चाहिए, तभी आप उसको यूज़ कर पाओगे इंटरनेट को. Here we need to understand the derivative meaning of hypertext markup language. As you can see here that hypertext refers to hyperlinks that an HTML page may contain. अब hyperlink क्या होता है? यहाँ पर hyperlink होते हैं blue color के links होते हैं. Whenever we start surfing on internet on Google, then it will start displaying you some links over there. And whenever blue color links, whenever you go there, it will take to some another page. राइट जब आप उसको क्लिक करते हो, इट विल टेक यू एट सम अनदर पेज, दैट इज़ योर हाइपरलिंक्स. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. मार्कअप लैंग्वेज इज अ कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज. इट इज़ अ लैंग्वेज मतलब भाषा, बाय यूजिंग विच वी आर एबल टू क्रिएट योर वेब पेजेस. इट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज इन विच वी यूज़ टैग्स. जो उसमें आप टैग यूज़ करते हो, दैट विल डिफाइन, आई विल डिफाइन लेटर ऑन. टैग यूज़ करते हो फॉर योर टू डिफाइन द लेआउट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लेआउट हियर. Layout means to set the place of all the objects, like that particular image should be on left or should be on right, the text should be in the middle. This is the layout, means the proper arrangement of all the objects on your screen is your layout. And elements within a page, elements क्या होते हैं, जैसे आपका कोई भी text है, कोई video है, and your picture, these all will come under your elements within a page or in a document. Means markup language having tags. These tags are used to define the layouts and elements in your page or document. It is a human readable language. Markup language is human readable. Human readable means human is easily able to understand this language. This file contains the standard English words. ठीक है, we don't need to learn so much programming and we don't need to remember all the programming syntaxes for the same, but it normally use simple English words which have some definite meaning, and we can easily use them to create our web page. Now two popular markup languages are there. First one is your HTML that today we are going to discuss, that is hypertext markup language, and second one is for XML extensible markup language. Now as we know that HTML is used for creating the web pages. अब web page में आपका क्या हो सकता है, there could be text, graphics हो सकते हैं, and other information, and all this information is properly organized and formatted and linked together. Means all the information must have some link with each other. And your HTML has been developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Here you can see the name, Tim Berners-Lee. It is a tag based language that I will discuss it after that. It is a simple language, simple, easy to understand, easy to learn, and flexible language. It is not case sensitive language. What here we need to understand, what do you mean by case sensitive. Case sensitive means uppercase or lowercase, right? Some languages support uppercase letters and some supports lowercase letters, but it is a language which doesn't support any case. You can either write in uppercase, you can either write in lowercase, or you can write in both the cases. It doesn't give any error for the same. Here we need to understand about tags. But the tags are the hidden keywords. Here you can see hidden keywords. Now what do you mean by keywords? Keywords are some specific words whose meanings has been defined already. We don't need to define the meaning of that word, जिसका meaning already defined हो चुका है. We just need to use that particular keyword in our program, right? जैसे आपका अभी HTML है. HTML is a normal English word. It is also a keyword. It has some specific meaning. It is a tag. Right here you can see the tag. It has some specific meaning and we have to use that tag for that particular purpose only. Right? It is a hidden keyword within a web page. के अंदर keywords होते हैं जो define करते हैं how your web page must format and display the content. कि आपका वेब पेज, जो भी आप पेज क्रिएट करने लगे हो, ठीक है, वो आपका कैसा दिखेगा, उसका कंटेंट. हेयर यू कैन पुट ऑल योर कंटेंट, कहाँ पे आपको कैसी चीज़ कहाँ पे डालनी है, कि हाउ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंटेंट विल अपीयर व्हेन एवर इट विल कंप्लीट. Here we need to know about the tags. Tag is of two types. First one is close tag and second one is empty tag. Close tag. Now here we need to know how we can write a tag. Tag is you can say a word or a keyword that we need to keep in the less than or greater than sign. These signs are known as angular brackets, right? And whenever we are going to start a tag, we have to finish it also. So for finishing the tag we need to use a slash, right? This is the opening tag, this one, and this one having slash is a closing tag, right? The tag that we have opened we also need to close it. जो आपने जो टैग ओपन किया है उसको आपको क्लोज भी करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, और एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में आपको उसको क्लोज करना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू नो कि जो टैग आपने पहले ओपन किया है उसको क्लोज कहाँ पे करना है, ठीक है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन. Next one is body tag. Here we have opened it and here we have closed it, and the content that you want to write over there, it should be in between both the closing and opening tag. इन दोनों के बीच में आप लिखोगे. And next we will move on empty tags. Empty tags means those tags which doesn't have any closing tag, but they are, once they open we don't need to close them. Here you can see BR, HR. BR stands for break tag and HR stands for horizontal line. Next move on softwares. So what type of softwares that we want for developing your HTML web page? First of all, as we know that we are going to develop a web page or a website. For that we have two ends, that is front end and back end. Front end is that particular web page or that particular page that will show to your user, जो यूज़र को जो चीज़ वो शो होने वाली है, दैट इज़ योर फ्रंट एंड, ठीक है. जो आपका कहाँ पे शो होएगा, वेब ब्राउज़र के अंदर. वेब ब्राउज़र आपके कौन कौन से, गूगल क्रोम है, मोजिला फायरफॉक्स, एज, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, ओपेरा मिनी, सफारी, and there are so many other web pages are also available. Web browsers are available. Now backend, here we need to understand what do you mean by backend. Backend means where you are going to actually write the code of your program. Now what do you mean by code? Code means कि जो program of code, जो भी चीज़ आपने जैसे जिसको जहाँ पे शो करवाना है वो चीज़ कैसे शो होगी, दैट विल बी योर बैक एंड, ठीक है. उसमें आप उसका काम आप किसके अंदर करोगे, बैक एंड पे करोगे. सपोज आपका व्हाट्सएप चला रहे हो आप, ठीक है, व्हाट्सएप में अब क्या है कि यू कैन सी द पिक्चर्स ऑफ योर, यू कैन सी द प्रोफाइल पिक्चर ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन सेंड देम टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस, ठीक है, सेंड देम इन्विटेशन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अ ग्रुप ऑल्सो. हेयर वी नीड टू नो दैट कि जो चीज़ आपको एज ए यूज़र दिख रही है दैट इज़ योर फ्रंट एंड, ठीक है, और जो जिसके पीछे काम कैसे कर रहा है. लाइक आपने किसी को मैसेज भेजा तो वो मैसेज पहले कहाँ पे गया, पहले वो सर्वर पे गया, सर्वर ने फिर उसको भेजा जिसने आपको भेजा था, ठीक है. जो पीछे वाला काम हो रहा है वो आपका बैकएंड पे है, ठीक है. तो बैकएंड के लिए बेसिकली बच्चे हम सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करते हैं नोटपैड आपका इनबिल्ट सॉफ्टवेयर होता है विंडो के अंदर. वी डोंट नीड टू इंस्टॉल इट, इट इज़ इनबिल्ट इन योर विंडो, इन योर window operating system and in all type of Windows operating system. Notepad++, it is a software that you need to install. If you want to work in this software you have to install it. And next one is your Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is a full-fledged software. You don't need to write anything over there. It has all the tools and all the elements already available there. We just need to drag and drop those elements, right? सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद नोटपैड, दैट इज़ योर बेसिक सॉफ्टवेयर, ठीक है, क्योंकि हर किसी के पास इजीली अवेलेबल होता है नोटपैड, ठीक है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट योर प्रोग्राम विद योर HTML with your notepad only. Here we need to learn about the basic structure of HTML programs. First of all, we need to know how we can write the proper program, what is the format for writing the same. As I have told you that it is based on tags, so once you will open the tag, you need to close it also. So the first tag is known as HTML tag, right? HTML tag, once you open it and then you need to close it. जो भी आपका कंटेंट आएगा वो सारा इसके ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग टैग के अंदर आएगा. ऑल द टैग शुड बी इन HTML ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग टैग. आफ्टर दैट हेड टैग. हेड टैग इज बेसिकली इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर हेडर इन्फॉर्मेशन, ठीक है. जो भी आपने हेडर इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी है, जो टाइटल देना है, वो आपके हेड टैग के अंदर आएंगे. हेड टैग के अंदर देयर इज अ टाइटल टैग, वी हैव क्लोज इट हियर एंड देन वी हैव क्लोज हेड टैग. नाउ यू विल राइट द टाइटल ऑफ योर वेब पेज in both these tags, opening and closing of title tag. After the head tag we have a body tag. All the other tags that you want to display on your screen, or everything that you want to show on your screen should be in your body tag, body opening and body closing, okay. So many tags could be there. So and then we have close our HTML tag. Here we will move on attribute. Before going there, I think we need to do some practice for the same. So now let's move on our notepad. I am going to start a simple program for HTML, and now I am going to show you how we can make it. First of all, here I would search notepad. Notepad is there, yeah, right. So like that. I would start with HTML. Here you can see that I have used small letters. You can either use small or capital letters. Now I have start HTML tag and I have also closed. मैं साथ साथ close कर रही हूँ, क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे कोई बाद में गलती ना रहे कि मैंने close किया था कि नहीं किया था. Because it is quite possible कि small programs में आपको पता चल जाएगा, but in case of long programs it is quite difficult to find out कि whether you have opened that tag or you didn't, you have closed that tag or you didn't. So it's better to close it simultaneously, side by side. Once you open then close tag also, ठीक है. सो हेड ओपन किया मैंने और मैंने हेड क्लोज कर दिया, और इन बिटवीन हेड वी हैव अनदर टैग दैट इज़ योर टाइटल टैग. टाइटल ओपन किया और मैंने टाइटल क्लोज कर दिया, राइट. एंड आफ्टर हेड टैग वी हैव अ बॉडी टैग. बॉडी ओपन किया और मैंने बॉडी क्लोज कर दिया. Here one thing we need to understand that I have put some spaces over there. It is not compulsory. I am just giving these spaces just to make you understand that which tag is opening and which tag is closing, right. It would be beneficial for you to understand. Otherwise we don't need to put some space. It's your personal choice whether you want to give some space or not, right. In the title tag, suppose I would write welcome to my web page, right. Here your title is there, and now it should be in between your head tag. Here body. In the body tag, what I want to show in my screen, I would write here first web page, ठीक है. This is a simple, very simple program, basic program. Now I would go on file menu. There is the option of save, right. Here you can select the location where you want to store your file, where you want to save your file. You can choose any drive, my documents, and I have chosen desktop. Here I would write my name of web page, that is first web page. After writing the name, you need to put some extension, that is .html. Students, you need to know that .html is the extension for creating your web pages, and it is very compulsory. Otherwise आपकी ये जो file बन जाएगी वो it will be just a txt file, that is a notepad file. So for making your web file you have to write .html. html is the extension, right? अगर आप HTML नहीं लगाओगे तो वो एक नोटपैड की फाइल बनेगी, HTML लगाओगे तो एक वेब ब्राउज़र के अंदर ओपन होएगी, ठीक है। नाउ आई हैव क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन. Now your web file has been saved, so we will move on here. This is your first web page, that is your file that I have created in Notepad. Now right click over there and open it with you. We have so many browsers, so we will choose Google Chrome. So Google Chrome, here you can see this is my web browser, and here I have what I have written in my title. It will start displaying here, welcome to my web page. You can see welcome to my web page, that is in my title, and whatever I have written in my body, this is my first web page, it will start displaying there. Now your body is starting from this end to this end, ठीक है। और जो भी आपके टैग्स आएंगे वो सारे आपके बॉडी टैग के अंदर ही आएंगे, ठीक है। दैट इज योर फर्स्ट वेब पेज और a simple web page. Now we will move on our next tag, that is your h1 tag. h1 tag basically it is used for heading, as we know that headings are quite bold, and its font size is little bit bigger than the normal text. So once we will open the heading h1 tag, we also need to close it. So here I would write we will copy that text in the heading tag, right? Okay, and here heading tag is of you can say it is of 6 types, or we have 6 heading tags, and h1 heading having the bigger size, it is the biggest one, having a bigger header, and it will move from h1 to h6. Now here we are going to change the tags. See h3, h4, h5, h3 open, h3 closing, h4 closing, and then again h5, h6, h5 closing, and h6 closing. After that I am going to save my file. Remember, you need to save your file every time once you have made changes, then only your output will be your current output. Now I have saved the file, I will again do it. You can also do it by using your keyboard, pressing Ctrl+S keys, and here you can see it is showing my old output. Now I will refresh my page from here, or I can press F5 key from my keyboard. So once I would press, so you can see here this is my first web page heading 1, this is my first web page heading 2. You can see the change in size from heading 1 to heading 6, ठीक है। The heading shows it is bold. That is the main feature of your headings, that it must be bold, and its size is quite bigger than your normal text, right? So now we are going to move on our next tag, that is your P tag. P tag, basically P stands for your paragraph tag, and once we have opened P tag we also need to close it, and I have also put a close sign, close tag for the same. So suppose I would write something in a paragraph. I have write the definition of computers, and so I would also add some features, right? Features are So now we are going to see how it will appear in my web page. First of all, we need to save it. Yes. Now open your web browser. Here you need to refresh your file. Here I have written a paragraph. Computer is an electronic device which is used to take the input from user, process that input and give us output. The features of computers are accuracy, versatility, storage capacity, etc. Right, here you can see that all the features came together in a single line. If you want to put them one after the other, means you want to put them in a list, then for that we have a simple tag, that is your break tag. Here I would put a break, br tag, as I have already told you, br is a break tag and it is an empty tag. We don't need to, once we open it, we don't need to close it. Right, you can see here, once we don't need to close it anywhere once you open it. Okay, where you want to start a new line, you have to put a break tag, that is your br tag. So again we are going to save it, and here I would see my output. Yeah, you can see features, accuracy. Now next line is versatility, next line is storage capacity. Now if I want to put as we didn't put any break tag here, so it will start displaying your features and accuracy in the same line. If I would put a break tag after features, then it will show them in a different line also. Here you can see features, accuracy, versatility and your storage capacity. Right, so this was your first chapter. This was the first video of your basics HTML. I will discuss rest of the topics of HTML, basic HTML in your next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, stay home, stay safe.